Hello everyone, myself Pritesh Raut and today we are going to discuss about working of turbojet engine. First of all, we will understand the working principle of jet propulsion. So as we know, the turbojet engine is an example of the jet propulsion, and this jet propulsion is work on the principle of Newton's second law of motion and Newton's third law of motion. So Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum in any direction is directly proportional to the force applied in that direction. Means force is very necessary for imparting the momentum. Okay. So Newton's third law of motion states that every action there is a equal and opposite reaction. So now we'll see how this turbojet engine is work on that principle. So this is the setup of turbojet engine, and this turbojet engine is work on the open cycle gas turbine, and it consists of a compressor. This one is a compressor, combustion chamber, and then turbine. So this turbojet engine consists of what? Compressor, combustion chamber, and the turbine. So one more device, that is nothing but the diffuser. It is also present before the compressor, and that diffuser has a function, or we can say this diffuser is provided at the entrance of that engine, and it has a function to reduce the velocity of incoming air and increases the possible pressure of the air before entering the compressor. So simply we can say the function of the diffuser is what? To convert kinetic energy of that air, incoming air, into the pressure energy. So when this air is taken into the compressor, so when this air is taken into the here in the compressor, what happen? The compression is carried out in the compressor. So because of that compression, the pressure on that air is increases, and then that high pressure air is taken into the combustion chamber, or we can say it is brought into the combustion chamber. So in this combustion chamber, when the fuel is injected into the combustion chamber, so what happen? When that fuel is injected into the combustion chamber, it comes in contact with the hot air which is taken from the compressor, and finally the combustion is take place, and because of that combustion, hot gases are produced, hot combustible gases are produced, and then this hot combustible gases is then fed over the turbine blade. So this is the turbine blade, so that gases are fed on that turbine blade. So expansion of that gases is take place when it fed on the turbine blade, and the power is produced by the turbine. So whatever the power which is produced by the turbine is utilized, or it is used for driving the compressor and other necessary unit. Okay, because that turbine shaft is connected with the, or coupled with the compressor shaft. So whatever the power which is produced by the turbine, it is given to what? Compressor for driving the compressor and the other necessary units. So after the expansion of these gases, what I'm saying, after the expansion of these gases on the turbine, it is exhausted from the rear end of that engine, which has a nozzle shape, and because of which that gases are leaving at very high velocity, and effect of that is what? Thrust is produced in a opposite direction. Okay, what I'm saying, after the expansion of gases on the turbine, they are exhausted from the rear end of the engine, which has a nozzle shape, and because of that nozzle shape, the gases are leaving at very high velocity, and the effect of that is what? Thrust is produced in a opposite direction. So that thrust is also called as what? The propulsive force. So that is produced because of that exhaust gases. Okay, so this thrust is which is produced in the opposite direction, that is used to drive the unit. Okay, so ऑलरेडी जैसे कि शुरुआत में हमने कहा था कि ये जो हमारा टर्बोजेट इंजन है ये वर्क करता है हमारे न्यूटन्स सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन और थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन पे. ओके, सो ये कहता है कि अगर किसी चीज़ को एक्सेलरेट करना है या मोमेंटम देना है तो हमें फोर्स की आवश्यकता होती है, और यहाँ वो फोर्स प्रोपल्सिव फोर्स या फिर थ्रस्ट के नाम से पहचाना जाता है. ओके, और जिसके चलते हमारे यूनिट को मोमेंटम मिलता है. ओके, सो इन दिस वे दिस टर्बोजेट इंजन इज वर्किंग ऑन द न्यूटन्स सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन एंड थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन. सो aircraft and the missile is an example of turbojet engine, or we can say turbojet engine is used in the aircraft engine and the missile. Okay, and the propulsive force which is produced by the reaction of jet of hot gases discharged at very high velocity from the rear end in the form of product of combustion. What I am saying, so in aircraft and the missile, the propulsive force is produced by the reaction of jet of hot gases which is discharged at very high velocity from the rear end in the form of product of combustion. Okay, so here is the rear end. Okay, from where the gases exit or exhaust gases are leaving to the atmosphere at a high velocity, and effect of that is what? The thrust is produced in opposite direction and which is used for driving the unit. Okay, so in this way our turbojet engine is work. Okay, thank you for all watching this video.